So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another update. So this is my second video on this particular platform. This is the platform that I made a video about it few days ago. I think few days ago, yes, few days ago if I'm not wrong. Few days ago about this particular Brazilian project, which is making money automatically for you. All you have to do is to set up your account the way I'm going to show you guys on this video. And what, as can see, no need to waste you guys time. If you look over here, you see that what I invested in this particular platform is $50, and I'm going to show you guys the reason. And I'm making 10% every day of it. There's no long talk on it, but you will watch this video and see the process to do, not to make mistake on it. Just bear it in mind that anything that you invest on this particular platform, we'll be giving you 10% on it every single day. Minimum withdrawal is $5, no long talk. But see, first of all, there is one of my downline made a mistake, and that is the reason why I'm making this video, for you guys to understand what happening in the platform. Someone chat me up today and told me that he deposited BNB instead of USDT, and we tried to solve it, but it took us time, but thank God we solved the issue. So first thing first, how do you make a deposit and how do you start making money on this particular platform? It's very simple. Look over here below the dashboard icon. You will see this particular icon that shows the plan of the platform. So as you can see, the minimum plan is 10 USDT. Look at it over here. The minimum plan is 10 USDT, which will be giving you 10% every day until you get 100% of whatever plan you purchase. That means if you invest 10 USDT, your total balance, your total income you'll be expecting from it is $20. So once your income reach $20, automatically that plan expires. You will need to exit the platform or reinvest again for more benefits. So what you have to do is to select on any of this particular platform plan. That is the plan in the platform for you to be making money from it, making 10% of it every single day, from $10 to, I think it's reached $300, from $10 to $300, which will be $3,000, I mean to say, which is how much you will be earning in the deposit. So for this last part, I think it's 12% up, but the ones we are using, $50, $10, $100 and so much on, is 10% up. So look at it, the plan that I bought is $50. So for those of you that want to start up with the $10 plan or any other plan that you want to do, first thing first, what you have to do is to select the plan that you need, and then click on this place that says buy USDT. Click on buy USDT. It's going to take you to where you will click on this place that says pay with USDT, pay USDT, and then once you click on pay USDT, it's going to give you, let me click on it for you to see what it's going to give you. It's going to give you wallet address for you to pay USDT, Binance network USDT in this particular platform. Don't deposit any other currency or any other from any other network apart from Binance matching network. So what you have to do is to copy this wallet address. This is one-time payment wallet address. Don't use it twice. Copy this wallet address and send USDT Binance matching network to it. So once you send it, click on send proof and screenshot your deposit, and then show it, add it up as a file to them. So once you're done with it, your account is gonna be credited. So once your account is credited, there's nothing much for you to be doing on the platform, because everything, it's a gaming, it's a betting website, but the website is being run by a bot. So you don't need to be betting or coming to your account to make money on it. All you have to do is, once the day runs down, it will give you benefits of the plan that you bought. So as for me, it has been 2 days since I made last withdrawal on this particular platform, and I've made, from my personal investment, it have given me extra $10, and I think I got $4 from referral. So I want to make a withdrawal. So how do you withdraw? It's very simple. Click on this place that looks like a book icon, and then click on it. You will see something like, you see finance and every other thing. So click on this particular last one and it will take you over to withdrawal. So how do you withdraw? You will select where you want to withdraw from. So I want to withdraw from my USDT, from my earning account. So what I have to do is to select it, and bear it in mind that the minimum withdrawal is $5, and they're gonna take out 5% of whatever you withdraw. So I'm kind of expecting them to remove 50 cents from my withdrawal. So what I have to do is to select my USDT wallet address, and then select this wallet address that I want to withdraw from, then enter the amount that I want to withdraw, which is $10, because $10 is what I have in the account. So I will enter $10 here, $10, and Then after editing it to make it sure it's $10, then what I have to do now is to click on this place that says withdrawal, and as you can see now, according to their language, my withdrawal is now successful. Look at it over here. Congratulations, withdrawal successful requested. Soon the money will be on your account. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says okay. So I would have withdrawn from my referral bonus, but minimum withdrawal is $5, so I can't withdraw from it. That means whenever I have any other referral, I can then withdraw. But right now I just made a live withdrawal on my Binance, on my account. So after some while, I went back to my account and boom, I got 9.5 USDT. That is equivalent to $9.50 or 49 cents, whatever you call it. It's still something. So that is it. That is my withdrawal, and I keep on doing this in every 2 days, because if I will be withdrawing daily $5, they will be removing the charge fee. I don't like it, so I normally withdraw 2 days. So that is how I make money from this particular platform. So I can show the horse the stream, but I cannot force it to drink. So my own is that I have made the video, I've showed you guys how things is working for me. It's left for you to decide what to do on your own. Remember, King is not in any way financial advisor. Do your own research and remain blessed, remain profitable. Join on time and exit on time. See you guys on my next video. Bye.